guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Glitter and Goth, and if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Are you struggling to come up with video ideas that actually work in India? In this video, I'm going to share 100 viral video ideas that are trending in 2025. Ideas that's perfect for creators in lifestyle, tech, travel, food, and more. Whether you're just starting out or breaking out of the plateau, you need to watch this. YouTube India is booming, but with millions of creators, it's not just about working hard but working smart. So these 100 videos are not just trending, they are tested, audience approved, and algorithm friendly. So I have divided these videos in 6 sections, and I have my laptop over here to rely on for notes. So please don't mind if I'm looking over here at times to read out the video names, because obviously I can't think of that or on the top of my head. So without any further ado, let's get started. Section 1: Lifestyle and Vlogs. The first one is a day in my life, college or work from home edition. So people love watching college or school kind of videos. So if you are in college or school and you have a YouTube channel, please do make videos on that, because that gets a lot of traction. People love to see how other college students are dressing up, how they are getting ready, how does their day look like. So please go for it. Also, for people who do work from home, you have a very different schedule from people who actually go to office. So in office you are actually constantly working in front of the laptop. However, at home people have different experiences. They can work from their bed, they can have dinner while working, and you can watch a movie in the background, you can like have a 5-minute dance party. So there's so much you can do, and I mean, not like you need to do this, but just like thinking of some things that I do. So yeah, that has a lot of potential and people love watching it. And if you can make it more aesthetic, it works like wonders. Next one would be monthly reset routine. So monthly you can make one video on how you reset yourself and cut ties with the world, and one day that only belongs to you and how you utilize it based on your preferences. So that is also something people love watching, and these videos can be really soothing. So definitely go for it if that's your niche. Next one would be what I eat in a day, Desi edition, because obviously in Indian household we don't really eat cereals and bacon and English breakfast maybe or anything like that. So we have a very different kind of food habits. So if you're having paratha in the morning and then something else in afternoon, so you can have an entire day. We have like 4 to 5 meals with snacks and everything. So there's so much potential in that video, because people love watching food videos. So, and people who live alone especially, they also like to know more about what they can make, like something new, something fresh. So this gets a lot of traction. Next would be Amazon finds under rupees 500. So especially people who are in a budget, of college students mainly, or people who have just started earning and they don't have a lot of money coming in from their salary. So they like to spend less money, and Amazon has so much to offer. There is so much I buy from Amazon practically every other day. So I just sometimes think that if I make a video of everything I'm getting from Amazon every other day, I would have so much content, because I'm constantly shopping over there, and I'm very sure everybody does that too. So definitely. And also you get some amazing finds within 500 rupees. So I buy a lot of things. So yeah, you can definitely try that out. Next would be cleaning motivation vlog. It is again very therapeutic. I love watching cleaning videos, and it is just so amazing. Like, it just soothes your mind and it relaxes you so much. Like, I have OCD, so it really helps me see like how it's getting clean, and there was a clutter and now it's kind of like proper and more organized. Like, I love that. So I'm not just saying my preferences, this is again tested and audience approved and algorithm friendly. People love watching these kind of videos, so you can definitely try it out. Next would be my skincare routine. So depending upon your skin type, like I have an oily acne prone skin, so I have already made a lot of videos on that. If you haven't watched it yet, I will add it somewhere so you can go and watch that too. Other than that, like people love knowing and relating to other people who have the same skin type. Like I watch a lot of content creators who have the same kind of skin type, so every routine they are following and whatever is working for them, I would be inclined towards trying it out, because if that's working for someone who has a similar skin type, it makes sense that it might work for me as well. So again, it's not like it will, but something. So people, not me, but other people who watch the video, they might relate to it as well. So it just makes sense to make more relatable videos like this, where you can connect with your audience one-on-one. Next will be sari styling 5 ways. So you can take one sari and style it in 5 ways. Again, this is like a very particular niche. However, these videos are loved by everyone, especially during wedding season, when people are wearing the same sari and they don't want to, like, nobody wants to repeat outfits. So people look for more creative ways of using the same sari or the piece of cloth they have. So this is again a very viral topic, so you can definitely try that out. Another video can be grocery haul and budgeting. So especially if you're living alone, how do you budget your groceries and from where do you buy it? What are the kind of groceries you're buying? What is your food habit? You can share so much information over here, and there's so much potential in this topic. Like there is so much content out there you can go after for this one. So again, this is a very good topic in my opinion. Next would be Indian morning routine. So this just doesn't involve your skincare, but also everything that you do. So when you wake up, what you're doing, are you going for yoga or running or any kind of physical activity you're doing after waking up, or you are eating something, if you're drinking something, what is it? Like there's so much you can share over here for just, I guess, 6 hours?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
6 hours. So if you wake up at 6 and you vlog till 12, you get a lot of content over here and people love to watch. Again, this is a very soothing, if you start with like a very soft music of waking up and what you're doing. Wonderful. I've seen some really good videos which got really good reach, so this is definitely something you can try. Next would be digital detox challenge. So here you don't have any screen time, like you just record yourself in the camera, and you are not going to use any phone, any laptop, tab, nothing for 24 hours. And this is also again a very viral video. Next would be night routine for glowing skin. Again, similar to morning routine, you can also show your night routine. What are the skincare products you're using, and if there's anything other than skincare products, if you're doing some kind of a home remedy at night or anything, like it can have anything in the video. So again, that is also a very popular topic. Next is study with me. So if you're in college or school, you can just take 15 minutes of your study time and record yourself while you're studying. So what all you're doing, how you go about your syllabus, and if there is any particular method to the madness, you can share all of that for your fellow peers to learn from you. This is again a very good topic, and sometimes people who lack focus, they look for such kind of videos, and by that I mean a lot of people. Even I used to search for videos like this once upon a time. So this is again, I think, a very good topic, especially if you are in school or college. So these are some really viral topics you can experiment on. Next is fridge organization vlog. Here you're just showing how you're organizing your fridge, what goes in the freezer, what is in the normal section, and if there is anything particular you're following, how, like if you have those organizers from Amazon, if you're using it, there were some zip bags, then there's some kind of a hanger drawer kind of a thing which you can get from outside, which doesn't come with the fridge. Obviously you have bought it from Amazon. If you're using any of those things in your fridge, like this is again a very good topic, especially when it comes to organization. a lot of people who have OCD love watching these videos to kind of figure out what else is there to optimize the space inside the fridge and how to organize it better. So again, I think this is a very good topic. Next is Sunday reset plus self-care. So everything you do on a Sunday, which is a holiday, from morning to night, whether it is self-care or if you're just going out for shopping or getting a spa, like self-pampering day, it can be anything. So anything and everything you're doing on a Sunday or a holiday can be like a very good content. You have so much opportunity over here. So again, this is a very good idea. Next topic would be my monthly favorites. This can have anything starting from makeup to skincare to cooking or clothes or anything, any organization product or a simple water bottle. Like, it can have so much, so you can add anything and everything you have either purchased or using in a particular month which you love, and it has so much scope. I've seen a lot of creators doing these videos and they work really well for them, so I think again this is something you can try as well. Next would be room makeover on a budget. So obviously we all love to have like a very nice room, but it's not possible if you get bored quite often to kind of change the background or like the walls, or you can't basically give a makeover to a room every day. So you have to like, people like to do it in budget so that they can change whenever they feel like, and this is again something people love to watch. So this is again a very good idea. Next would be Amazon versus local market idea. Again, this is a very good topic where you buy something from Amazon, then you buy the similar product from a local market and do price comparison as well as rate the product, or kind of like do an entire comparison of them, like the features, the quality of the product. It can be anything. So yeah, this is again a very good topic. Next topic is a day in my hometown. So if you have a different hometown and you live somewhere else, you can travel back to your hometown and create a video of how you spend your day at your hometown, what is so special about that place, and what is the core memory that you have, like what connects you to that place. People love watching such emotional videos because that makes it more relatable, and the way you feel about your hometown, someone might be feeling the same feeling about their hometown, so that's why you can connect with your audience better. So this is again a very good topic. Next video idea would be how I plan my content. So again, this is something very different. So if you are consistently planning videos and content, this makes more sense to you. Then you can have a more organized setup on how you're planning things, and you will be able to show it to your followers. And I feel that your audience love, like I'm making this video for people who might be looking for video ideas. Similarly, somebody might be struggling in planning the content. So if you can share that, so these informative videos work really well in the market, be it Indian or outside. So I think again, this is a very good idea. The last one in section 1 would be things only Indian girls can relate to. This can be a talk video, like sit and talk video, or you can actually show certain products or some things that normally an Indian woman would like doing. So this is again a very good topic. Section 2, food and cooking. So the first one under section 2 would be trying viral Indian street food. So this just doesn't include your city's food, but this can also be if you're traveling to another city. So anything trending or viral. Next one is quick tiffin recipes. So especially for mom vloggers, they cook really good meal for their children. So what they are giving in lunch to their husbands or their children, or if there is any man who's cooking food for their wives, children's or themselves, so that can also be like a very good idea. Next one is traditional recipes from my state. So India being a secular country with so much diversity, we have so much tradition in our culture. So even like a in the same state there might be like different cultures followed by different people of different religion and communities. It can be like it can have so much variety and diversity. So again, this is a very good idea if you are a food vlogger or a food content creator. Next is cooking with mom or grandma. So again, this is a very good idea if you can make a video or vlog on how you spent your day cooking with your mom or your grandmother, and them sharing their some nuskha or some tips and tricks or some kind of an experience they had over something. And you get to learn so much from people when you discuss food. So somebody might have some kind of a story behind some kind of a food, so there's so much to share on this topic as well. Next topic is 5-minute breakfast. So obviously in morning everybody is busy, everybody wants to just get ready and get going to their job, school, college. So not everybody have a lot of time to cook like a really lavish and great breakfast. So the best thing is to create like really quick breakfast, and everybody wants to learn that. So again, this is a very good topic if you are a content creator around food. Next topic will be budget meals under rupees 100. So it can be 100, 500 or 1000, like completely depends on the kind of video you want to go for. The amount is just a number and it completely depends on how you want to create the video and what are the kind of food. The main showstopper in this video should be the food. So the food should be really good. That's what matters, not the amount. However, if you are able to create videos for different amounts and different range, then you can capture more audience depending upon their budget and their lifestyle and their requirement. So again, a good topic. Next is what I cook when I'm lazy. So not every day people feel very energetic to cook. Sometimes people feel very lazy and they don't feel like cooking anything. So that's when again the quick food comes up, like what you can cook within like 5 to 10 minutes and you'll be done with it, and it should taste good too, because obviously you wouldn't want to have like a bad tasting food. So again, you can share recipes around them, and this is again a fan favorite. Next is train or flight food vlog. So over here you will be sharing your food experience, what is served in an airplane versus a train. So it doesn't have to be like a versus thing, like train mein jaake aisa and airplane mein like a different experience, but more like either one or versus, like however you want to play with it. That's the point of this. Like this is just an idea and you can utilize it however you feel like, and you'll just show what is served in the morning, what is served in the afternoon, what is served at night, how it tastes, if they have like what is the charge, and yeah, all of it, your experience entirely. So there's again so much potential I see in this. Next is testing kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Again, Amazon being the savior, there's so much options and different kind of gadgets available, and like it's my go-to place to buy anything as a matter of fact, and they have such good options when it comes to kitchenware. So again, there's so much you can do with this video. Then there's 24 hours eating only Maggi challenge. So this is again a challenge video. So people love watching challenge videos. So there's so much you can do with it. And by Maggi, it just shouldn't be Maggi. Like you can have different recipes of Maggi, or not Maggi even, just noodles, and have like a Korean noodle, some other kind of noodle, and normal noodle, normal spaghetti. And there's so much you can do with it. And challenge is just fun and sharing your experience and having some good digestive system. Next is healthy desi snacks. So sharing all the healthy desi snacks that you consume or you would prefer others to consume, or just all the desi snacks, healthy desi snacks you know about, to your audience, so that they can decide for themselves that what they like and what they don't like and what they'd like to try. The next one is street food tour, local city edition. So whichever local city you are residing in, you can just do a food walk of that place, and whatever is very famous or very authentic, you can just try them out and show it to your audience. Next one would be hidden food gems in my city, which is again in the very similar category. However, you can divide it, and something like this place has been there for 50 years or 100 years and it's very famous, so you can like make that authentic video of authentic places like in one particular separate video, which can fall under this. So it completely depends on how you want to utilize it. The next one would be regional thali tasting. So tasting all the regional thalis, you can create a series on this. So if you're in Kolkata, you will make a video on tasting the Bengali thali. And then you might go to another restaurant and try a Rajasthani thali. Then you might go to another restaurant, try some Gujarati thali. So there's so much potential in this one, and you can do so much with it because there are so many communities and cultures in our country. So you won't fall short of thalis. That's all I'm trying to say over here. Next topic is vegan in India, what I eat. So if you are a vegan, and vegans are very like the quantity of vegans are very less in India, like mostly are non-vegetarians, then vegetarians, and vegan is hardly 10% maybe, or maybe less. So I mean, I don't know the data, I'm just assuming. So it's very rare, that's what I'm trying to say. So if you are a vegan, you can share recipes of what you eat. If there are any restaurants that you love going to who serve vegan food, so you can create a video on that, and there's so much again. The next one is hosting a desi dinner party. So dinner parties are always fun, and if you have cooked the food and hosted a party with games and prizes and some dance music, it should be blast video. That video should go viral. Next video is cooking with my partner. So if you're married or going to get married very soon, or living with someone and you want to make a cooking video together or a cooking challenge, that can also be a very good topic. The next is first time trying a particular state's cuisine. So this can be any cuisine you are trying for the first time, and your true real experience, what you like, what you dislike, and all of it. Next would be meal prep for the week. So if you plan your meals from before, and you have a list of what you want to eat, and if you follow a particular routine when it comes to food, then you can share that. You can prep for it, so like shopping, the groceries, and then if you have something chopped from before and you are storing it in your refrigerator so that you don't have to do it every day. So all of that falls under this topic. And the last one under section 2 is my go-to lunch recipes. So if you have any specific lunch recipes, that can be your tiffin recipes as well as a normal Sunday lunch. So if you have any particular food that you really like and you would like to share the recipe of that, so you can use this opportunity to make that video. Section 3, beauty and fashion. The first one under section 3 would be affordable skincare routine. So it's basically doing your skincare routine with some affordable products which everybody can get their hands on. The next one would be festive makeup tutorial. So for any festival, if you have any particular go-to makeup, or if you are doing some kind of a special makeup for a one particular festival or any event, you can share that. Next is full face using ₹100 products. So any product which is around rupees 100. You're applying that on your face and doing a full face makeup. This is again a very viral one, because especially for school students and college students who don't have a lot of money at that time, because they're obviously not working, so they can't afford a lot of high-end products or even the high-end drugstore products. So for them, these kind of videos really work, because they would like to know what is very affordable to them, as well as they can use it in their day-to-day lives. So this video works really well. I mean, I have seen some YouTubers and I've become their fan after watching a similar video. So you can definitely try it out. Next is Amazon Fashion Haul. Like I mentioned, I'm a huge fan of Amazon, and they are not paying me, just to let you know, because I know I've used this Amazon word too many times in my video today. However, they have everything like A to Z. So you can buy clothes from Amazon and do a haul and share your experience, what you like, what you don't like, you know, expectation versus reality kind of a thing. Like if you're happy with the product, you know, and if it's similar to what was shown to you in the pictures. So a lot of potential in this one too. Next one again is a styling video. It's styling one kurti in 5 ways. If your audience is also young and potentially they are not working maybe, and they are still in school or college, obviously they don't have a lot of money to buy clothes every other day. And not just them, it's about everyone. Like none of us have so much money, at least that's what I think, to not repeat clothes. No matter how much we don't want to do that, we have to repeat clothes, but nobody likes it. So if you can style one kurti in 5 different ways, so that's 5 different styles, and people will remember the style and not the exact kurti if you do it well. So again, a very good topic. Next is glow up challenge in 7 days. So for one entire week, whatever you're doing, so if it is some kind of a food you're having or some kind of a drink you're having, to, you know, internally do something so that there's a glow up, or if you're using some kind of a shampoo or a conditioner, or oiling your hair, or it can be some kind of a skincare product, it can be anything that you're doing for a glow up, you can add in the video for tips and tricks. Next topic is hair care routine for frizzy hair. So I have frizzy hair and I know how much I love watching these videos. So whatever hair care you are doing, if you have the same kind of hair type, and how you are managing your hair, so that like detangling takes in a lot of effort and a lot of hair fall happens, which obviously none of us want or like. So if you're doing something that is making your hair really soft and silky and not tangling it, so that would be like a, I don't know, amazing experience. So, and everybody would want to learn, like know more about it. So yeah, it really makes sense if you can share that video. Next is trying viral Instagram makeup trends. So you can make one video on all the makeup trends that is recently happening and everything that you like or you think is going to work. So everybody can learn from there. So again, knowledge sharing videos work really well. People like to know more. So again, this is a very good topic in my opinion. Next is everyday office makeup look. So how do you get ready to go to office? Like an entire full face makeup, how you're like the kind of clothes you're wearing, how you're styling yourself. So all of that can fall under this. Next is budget versus high-end products. Now this can have so many things: makeup, skincare, hair care. It can also include home decor or clothes or anything, like anything you would like to have a comparison video on. Next is fashion hacks every Indian girl should know. So if you know any fashion hack which you'd like to share with your fellow Indian sisters, you can definitely make a video on that. Next video idea would be skincare routine using only Indian brands. So a lot of us use a lot of outside brands, especially the Korean ones, but in one video you can make like an entire skincare routine with only Indian brand products, which would be amazing for the Indian brands as well as your viewers. Next is Myntra sale try on haul. So In this video, you can shop from Myntra during their sale season and do a try-on haul video for your audience. Next video idea is DIY Uptan for bridal glow. If you're getting married anytime soon and relying a lot of homemade remedies for a glow up, so you can share your experience on that and how you make it and what are the quantity you're using, what are the products you're using, and again you can share so much to your fellow brides who might be looking for a similar remedy. Next is how I cleared my acne naturally. So without going to a dermat, if you have been able to clear your acne naturally, so you can make a video on that and share your experience, what are the products you used and how it worked out for you. So that can also be very inspiring and relatable to your audience. Next video idea would be college outfit ideas. So get ready with me college edition, or the kind of outfits that you wear to college or you should wear to college, so you can make a video on that. Next video idea is get ready with me wedding guest edition. Especially during the wedding season, this is, I feel, a very popular video, like a very popularly searched video. So everybody wants to know how others are dressing and what's trendy, how other guests like the colors they are using and any particular makeup they are using, how they are draping the saris and everything. This is like a very hit topic. The next one is testing Korean skincare in India. So does Korean skincare really work for the Indian skin as well, especially with the humidity and everything? So you can make a clear video on the kind of products you're using, how that's working for you, whether or not it's working for you, and all of that. The last one under section 3 is my 5 top lipsticks under rupees 300. So again, here the amount is just a number. It can be 300, 500, 100 rupees or 1000, anything you are comfortable with and how you want to like what products you want to use and how you want to share it with your audience. Section 4, travel and local tours. So the first one under section 4 would be weekend getaway vlog. So any nearest location that you have in your city where you can go for a day outing or a 1 day or 2 day trips, you can make a vlog on that. Next is hidden gems near your city. So it can be depending upon your city, whatever is there, like a special place or an uncommercialized place. It can be a proper staycation kind of a place or like a small day outing kind of a place. So it completely depends on the place and the finding. The next one is solo travel vlog in India. So if you're a solo traveler, you can make a video on your experience and your travel, where you're going to, what is your experience, how you're going about it, and all of that. Next one is train journey vlog. So if you're traveling via train, you can actually vlog that experience and show it to your audience that how was the experience, because everybody thinks that train journeys are not safe, especially for women. So if you are able to have a good experience, you can share that with your audience. Next topic would be India travel series. So you can travel all over the country and create a series on that, on your experience in different cities, and what did you eat, where did you shop, where did you stay, and the transportation, and so much. So you can share so much on this if you are a travel blogger. The next one is budget travel hacks for India. So in India, if you are a budget traveler, how do you manage your expenditure, how do you plan it out, and all of that. So you can share your tips and tricks to your audience. Next one would be local market tour. So if you have a local market in your city, you can tour that and show it to your audience so that they also are aware of what it has to offer to its customers. The next one would be monsoon road trip vlog. So during monsoon, if you are traveling and going on a road trip, you can vlog that and share your experience and what all you did with your friends or family. The next one would be exploring a heritage site. So if you're exploring a heritage site, you can make a vlog on that. The next one would be first time on Vande Bharat Express. So again, this is still a very popular video topic because a lot of people have still not traveled in Vande Bharat. So if you have traveled at Vande Bharat and you can vlog that and share your experience, that would be very informative and helpful for other people who would like to book tickets in Vande Bharat and experience that journey. The next topic would be food walk in your city. So it completely depends on which city you are in, but each city has so much to offer when it comes to food. So you can create a video on a food walk where you pick up one particular location and you have all the famous food items or experience the local shops over there and do kind of like a food vlog. The next topic would be staying in a 500 rupees hostel versus a 5000 rupees hotel. So a lot of time people who are traveling, sometimes people travel on a budget, sometimes they are on a luxurious trip where they are happy to spend a lot of money. So you can do a comparison of both, like how that works and what are the experiences, how is it different, and if there is anything particular like you like and dislike about both the experiences. The next video idea would be travel essentials for Indian girls. So girls like to carry a lot of products while traveling. So if there is any particular tips and tricks or hacks or any kind of product which is like a must have when you're traveling, you can share that with your audience. Next one would be spiritual travel. It can be Rishikesh, Varanasi or any other place. So if you're traveling to any city which is known for having a spiritual connection, you can vlog your experience and how you feel connected to God while you were at that city. The next video idea would be India's cleanest villages. So if you are a traveler and you like to go to remote places as well to see what it has to offer, you can create an entire series of the kind of clean villages that you have visited. The next video idea would be exploring hill stations in off seasons. So obviously we all like to go to hill stations, but during the peak seasons it's a very different experience because it's very overcrowded. However, if you go during off season, your experience will be very different because there will be less people and you will have access to a lot more things, and because you will be alone, so you will have like this connection with nature because you will be around nature. So that will be an amazing experience for you and you can vlog that and share it with your audience too. The next video idea is metro ride vlog in my city. So whichever city you are in, you can just have a metro ride and your experience during that entire journey, that what are the kind of people who are also in the metro with you, what are the kind of conversations going on, what are you seeing, how are you feeling, like there's so much you can share. This is again like a very niche topic, so it might not be valuable to everyone. However, there are certain videos which are very well executed, so you can do some research about these videos if you have not heard about it, to see how other people are doing it, to have some do some kind of homework on this, because these are some really good topics. The last one under section 4 is travel story time, the good and the weird. So it can be one topic versus two topic as well, where you're just sharing the good experience in one and the weird one in the second one. However, you can do both in one video. So it's more like a sit and talk video where you are just sharing your experiences from any travel. Can be one travel or two travels where you visit 2-3 places, and how, like, what was the good things that you have experienced and what was that one bad thing or weird thing or some bad experience that you faced. Section 5, tech, money and productivity. First one under section 5 would be how I edit my YouTube videos. So again, this is a very popular search on YouTube. Every new content creator wants to learn and know more about how someone is editing their video and what is the most easy way or optimized way or the best way of editing videos quickly, because obviously nobody has all the time in the world to kind of spend so much time in editing, and me being a YouTuber, I know how much effort it goes in editing. So everybody wants to learn how, like, what's the quickest way to learn how to edit. So this is again a very popular topic. Next one would be YouTube gear setup under 10,000 rupees. So if you are in a budget and you are a new content creator, you don't want to spend a lot of money into it because you're not getting anything out of it at that point. So it makes sense to spend less amount of money to create kind of a setup that works for you initially, to, you know, get to that growth position where you start earning, where you can, you know, invest back the money. So again, this is a very popular topic. The next one is best apps for Indian creators. So what are the kind of apps they are using for video editing, recording, thumbnails? It can be so much, and not just about YouTube, but can be on Instagram. So if they are using a particular app for carousel, if they are using a particular app to edit their picture in a certain filter that is in some particular app. So again, there's so much sharing potential over here. Next one is my notes setup, content plus life. So how are you using your notes? So if you are also a notes person, like I write everything, like how I'm feeling, what I'm doing, my affirmations, and something very relevant and important like topics on what I want to make videos on in my notes. So if you are also using your notes that much, if you have any particular way to organize it and kind of something you want to give people a sneak peek into your life, you can create a video on that, sharing some tips and tricks on how to use the app more better way. The next one is budgeting as a creator. So if you have already started earning money from content creation, or you have just started and you are trying to figure out how to make money and save the kind of money you already have. So if you have any tips and tricks or how you plan and organize and budget, you can share your experience to your audience. The next topic is very popular. It's how I earn from YouTube in India. So what is the entire process, when did you start content creation, and your entire journey on how to get monetized and how much you're earning from YouTube and brand collabs and AdSense and all of that. People love to learn more from these kind of videos. So this is again a very popular choice. The next topic is freelancing tips for students. So if you're a student and you want to earn money on the side, freelancing is something that students have been doing, and this is like a very somehow very trending lately. Like everybody is freelancing and people are earning a lot of money. If there are any tips somebody can share on this topic, that would be really helpful. Of course, like if you are freelancer too, it makes sense for you to create a video, because if you are a person like me who doesn't do freelancing, it is just some words I'm sharing which I don't even follow by, so it doesn't make sense to me to take this advice. So this is again a very particular niche, and only people who have real experience should make videos on this, because a lot of young minds actually watch these kind of videos and they might get distracted from their actual education. So that should not be the case, and people who don't have a lot of knowledge and experience about these kind of sensitive topics should not be speaking about it, in my opinion. Next topic is 5 passive income ideas in India. So if you have passive income and if you're doing other things which is helping you earn money, then you can share your experience and what all you are doing to have different sources of income. The next topic is how to plan a productive week. So it is very important to be organized, and if you can make a video on that, on how you organize and plan your entire week to optimize your productivity, that would be very helpful for the youth. And people love watching these kind of videos, especially people who are looking for self-help, growth and success. So people really like these videos, and if you're making it properly, it will blow up. Last one under section 5 is 10 tools I use daily. So if there is any particular app or tool you are using daily, you can share your experience with it. Again, it's very tech focused, so this actually only works for that niche. However, everybody is using some tool or the other for their benefit. So if you can have a good reason and experience in sharing those, so yeah, you can make a video on that, and that would be really helpful for others. Section 6: Fun, festive and relatable. The first one under section 6 is Durga Puja, Diwali or Eid vlog. So this is like a festive vlog. So whichever festival that connects to you well and you love celebrating, you can create a vlog on that. The next one is Raksha Bandhan at home. So this can show your relation with your sibling or cousins or friends who mean a lot to you, like your siblings. So you know the bond you have, so it can have like a very positive vibe and friendship and connection. So again, a very beautiful vlog on what you do, how you spend your day with your siblings, cousins and all. So again, people love watching these kind of videos, so this is again a very good topic. If you like creating skits, or if that is your niche, you can create a video on Indian parents be like. People love watching these kind of videos. It can be really funny because obviously the brown parent joke, like, we all like and love. So again, this can be a very good topic, especially if you have a niche in creating skits. The next one is growing up in Indian household story time. So again, this is a sit and talk kind of a video idea where you just share your experience on what you have faced so far in your life in an Indian household, how you have been treated, what was your experience, what you liked, disliked, certain stories you can share about your childhood or past. So again, this also connects really well with the audience. Again, on the skits part, you can create a video on things Indian moms say. Again, brown parent joke, everybody loves to hear. The next topic is expectation versus reality, Indian edition. So this can be anything, skincare product, makeup product, clothes, place, food, anything. You can also create a skit on this. So this has a lot of potential and variety. Completely depends on how you make it. The next one is Karwa Chauth routine. So if you are married and if you celebrate Karwa Chauth, so what all you do, how your day goes by, and the entire process, routine, experience, you can share all of that over here. The next one is Holi party vlog, and not just Holi, but if you are celebrating a party or hosting a party during any festival, you can vlog that and share your experience. The last one and the 100th video is recreating celebrity looks on a budget. This is a fan favorite. Everybody likes to watch these kind of videos on how at home you can do your makeup or dress up as a celebrity with clothes or makeup you already have. So again, this is amazing topic and this goes viral every time, whoever makes it, as long as it's good content and it is relatable and like it's very close to how the celebrity was actually looking. So if it is a good video, people love watching. So definitely go try this out. Now here's the secret. You don't need to do all 100 ideas. Just pick the ones that match your niche, audience and personality. Focus on storytelling and consistency because that's what builds a real community. If you found at least one idea useful, drop this emoji in the comment section so that I know this video helped you. And if you think I should make a series out of it and break it down niche by niche, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Now before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video would be helpful for a friend of yours, then don't forget to share it with them. See you again next time. Bye.